white here, white here, white here, white here, and the red, I will pick it. Okay, it's simple. And what should we do now? We did everything. I forgot the eyes, for example. We just need some better colors. I should rate some better colors. There is an instrument, a tool on this program that is very cool and very helpful. It's called pencil. Not more, not less. With just a pencil, we will be able to overlay our drawing and make it very warmful. We choose, for example, a very light, very light yellow, very giant size, okay, and a very small opacity, and we start filling everything with more opacity. We start filling and start again, and we fill where we think there is shadow. I know you should choose a point where lights come from. With this method you can go also, I don't know, like random. Cause this just help to make the color different and more various, and will make it alive. We also choose a, I don't know, pink. We'll fill with pink. Okay, a more dark pink. Here. Also the hair. You notice that it starts to become very various and very better than before. This will help because you don't need to do lots of shading. You just color almost random. You see some red here. It's very simple because we did anything special. We just color random. Okay? When we did everything, we should start to make it less random. I don't find any other words. We just pick this particular blender. It's called grainy water. This is one of the best blender because it's not like the liquify tool on Photoshop, but see, it just corrects what you do, and this is very helpful and very simple and very fast. See that for now coloring seems very simple. You don't need special things. You don't need to stay there for hours choosing what color should I use. You just go to the instinct. This is how I use and how I do the color. See, it's very fast and all the shapes become right. How to say, the color is rest inside. If you could do this also in real, it will be a very help. Anyway, I'll stop and I'll start when I finished. Okay, everything is done. Let's say now you want to add some shades. You don't need to make special layer. You see that we just have one layer with the canvas. You just need to take the same pencil and with a bright color and color over it. like we did for the random shades. Let's see, I don't know, under the hair we darken a little and we make like this, but let's say you don't like it, how they come, cause they're all fluffy, they are all stupid. I mean, they're all without a shape. We will help us with the same useful blender. As you see, it makes them very shapy. How you say, very shapy, and very different from before. And you can shape the color as you want to make them for the hair. I don't know, and color a bit, and then I will shade it like this. And you see that I don't do a very hard process. It's very simple and very fast. That's why I color drawing very fast, very fast. And you do like this for every single part of the drawing. And now I will do it, and then maybe I'll start when I finished. How you say, maybe I'll bore you. I could talk about Italy, I don't know, I come from Italy, but it will be very annoying. I don't want to make you emo, you know. I will stop and I will start when I did it. Let's see. Before I stop, I want to do this part, for example, the breasts. And you see that I do very fast, it's very simple. I do like this, and then it's Blender that do all the work, cause it blends over, it blends and make everything work. It makes the color to work together and be very harmonious one with other. And this is helpful cause I could also choose the color below and make some darker things like this. You see there is a very little part of white, cause white is not good for make shades, only if you want to make them flashy, but we don't want. Anyway, this is how I color. For example, they say everything reflects everything, so here there is a rose, so I put some rose under the breasts and I blend it and will make it like it's very mirroring, how you say mirroring, and this makes the drawing cool. And we continue to shade all the drawing, to shade it, to make it shaded. And when we're okay, we start to the last point that I will present you after I shade it. Hi guys, I'm almost done. I'm doing the last things here. Shoes, fits. Okay. What is the final process? When you colored, when you shaded a drone, the first process is to make some light, some cute light on the hair, for example. We should shade a little more the hair. How we should do it? We take a pencil and we put it very small